All right, thanks for joining me today on my investment challenge. And today I'm going to be kind of just diving into what it is that I'm following. And there's not really a lot going on with my account right at this moment. And I'm just kind of, nearing the end of July, and everything's probably going to be a little flat. Although I did get a sale yesterday, so I'm hoping that will actually keep going, keep getting that turnover. All right, so I'm not an advisor, and this is not advice for your portfolio. If you're needing help, go see an advisor and make sure you're making the right choices for your portfolio. These picks are things that I'm doing to try and reach my $1 million investment challenge. So one of the first stocks I'm following, I actually purchased and sold just recently, Northwest Company, NWC, and it's had a recent surge, but it's kind of at the near, like it's seasonal peaks and valleys. So it's kind of still near the bottom. So I'm looking to see if that's going to actually have another little drop and then take off for maybe the rest of the season. But it's near the bottom of its cycle. So I really want to watch this one, because every time it goes down, I feel like it's just almost a guaranteed chance it's going to go up again at some point. The value of this company, I feel, is good to go. All right, so that brings us to some real estate properties I'm following. So Choice Properties, chp.un. It's coming down off the high, so I'm going to be watching this one for a while. I don't think it's quite ready unless it has a major drop, and then I'll be a little bit more concerned about other things. CRT.un, CT Real Estate, it's doing the same thing, and it's near the high, and it's coming down. So I'm going to watch this for probably a couple weeks, maybe even a month, and see where it gets to, and then maybe this will be an opportunity for a buy. And then Cartwell, so CSH.un, and it's again the same thing, a real estate company that's doing the same thing. And the last one, the First Capital Real Estate. Now this one, I'm not sure if this is quite as strong as the other ones, but it's coming down off the high, and if it is going to be positive, then I'm definitely probably going to dive in on it. So all these companies that are into the real estate seem to be coming off highs, and they're all kind of following their cyclical high and low trend. So might not be too bad of a deal to watch them and see which ones present those opportunities for buys and sells. All right, so as I said, I don't have a lot of cash flow, $43.29. That's not going to get me too far as buys. I do have a couple stocks that I'd be interested in buying below that price level, but they're kind of on highs right now, so I'm not really following them very closely. Then I have my balance of $545.36, so up slightly the last couple days, but down from its high of I think it was up to $550. So overall, I'm ahead of the game. Down a little bit this week, but very positive going forward. So that's my investment challenge. I do have a link for, you're looking at Wealthsimple here, if you're in Canada and you need a broker that has no fees. There are fees for some things, so make sure you know what you're getting into, but the link is below, and I don't pay any fees on any of the trades I do. And the other thing is click subscribe and like so you can follow along, see how long it takes me to reach my $1 million. We'll see you for the next video.